Hello everyone, this is Makayo. I'm doing our walkthrough for Lab 9. In this lab, we created an app that could be used by the public, and it's snowing outside. Cool. To take pictures of areas of interest. In respect to this specific lab, it is taking pictures of individual trees. This is a partial demo. I won't be showing the phone parts of that because the instructions are pretty good. Um, With that said, I'm going to get started with this. So we've got part one, our local data creation. So we need to create our feature that we're going to be working with. So let's search for the create feature class, data management tools. We'll give the feature class a name. So we're given the syntax we're going to use for the lab instructions. The geometry type can be point. Our coordinate system can be NAD 1983. It can be zone 12N. So as long as we have this as our setup, we're good to run this. And all right, we have our new layer here. Let's open the attribute table and let's add in some new columns. So we have 5 of them that we're doing, and we're given these field name as well as the field type to work with. So we'll fill in all of the spaces with those. Type, type, dash. All right, so with all of those set, we're told to add a point feature around our map to set our symbology to be a tree or other green symbol. So let's create and drop the point anywhere, and then let's hit save. We're told to change the symbology of this layer to look like a tree. So we can go through here and we could just search for tree. And we're given plenty of options. I'll choose a sycamore because I want to. And I have to make it a little bit bigger because the size was invisible. A little better. On about 46. There we go. So there we go. That's more visible. Nice. So adjust your symbology size accordingly. Yeah, just make sure it makes sense. But with that said, we're going to create the domains for this layer. So to create the domains, we can go to our catalog. We can right click on our geodatabase that we're working through, and our domain should be right here. So nice, I already still have mine set up. So this will be what you put in. Your height, tree height, short. You'll fill in the right-hand side with the code and descriptions right here. And the same thing for the type. Wow, it's really snowing. Once you've got that set, hit the save button and close out of the domains. And you can also close out of this fields box. So we've got our points, we have all of our headings, and now we're going to assign the type domain to our fields. So let's go back to our add, and we have our domain column right here. We'll add type, we'll add height, and we'll save. So moving on to 4, we're told to create a test point on campus and then check the attribute table to make sure our drop downs work. So my save button is grayed out. I'll close out of this fields and I'll make another point on campus. Oh, and right here. there. And let's close out of here. And if it should work, cool. If I double click this, I have conifer and deciduous drop down, um, as well as the height. So cool, cool, cool. All right, next we're going to get this up into the cloud for Arc. So I'll save my edits. And then we're told to deselect our base map, and we're going to share a web layer. Give it a new name. So for this, I'd recommend spelling it out. U of U, University, Utah Tree Survey, your name, or your last name, first tags can be whatever you want it to be. Make it funny, please. The location, if we select the drop down, will be our root folder. And for right now, we're going to only share this with the University of Utah Department of Geography. Let's analyze. And oh no, unique numeric IDs are not assigned. To fix that, we can right click and auto assign our IDs sequentially. Let's reanalyze. And all right, we're good to publish. So this is where you'll switch over to arcgis.com and we'll go to content. Oh, it's still uploading. There we go. So now that it's published, let's go to our content. We'll check out our feature layer. And while we're here, we're going to click into the layers that we have accessible. We'll enable attachments. And then we'll go back. Let's go to settings. We're going to approve this layer to be shared with the public when editing is available. We'll enable editing. We'll keep track of our changes. And all right, that's that for that step. Let's go back to content. And our sharing needs to be updated to everyone. And all right, that's it for part 2. Part 3 talks of the creation of this app. So then the app that we're using to create this is going to be our Quick Share app, or Quick Capture app, sorry. And we'll select new project. We'll start from our existing layers. You should have the University of Utah Tree Survey with your name on it. We'll click both boxes. We'll go next. Let's create the project. So from here, all you have to do to enable this is just going to left click on the feature, go to data, show map after capture, and show camera. We'll hit save. And you can either scan the QR code for your app, or if you go back to your contents, it'll be saved as a new feature or new feature. The pictures that you take once you send them can be found on the web map. And yeah, I think that's it for me. Yep. So then all of you will be responsible for part 4. So downloading and installing the Quick Capture app, setting up the project in there, and then taking your pictures. Please have 5 different trees. If you can record them on campus, that'd be perfect. If not, please make sure they're 5 different ones. And after that, you also need to do a short write-up outlining another potential citizen science app that could be created using this tool. Detail the geographic feature class that would be ideal for this type of app, including the attributes that you would want to record at each location. So, I hope that helps. And I'll see you all on Thursday. Okay.